Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about shopping conversation today.
Great topic, Zoe. Shopping is something we do all the time.
Yes, we shop for food, clothes, gifts, and more. Today, we will talk about real shopping words. We will also share true stories, and we will practice simple sentences.
Before we start the main part, a quick note. If you like this episode, please subscribe to English Podcast Channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English. Please share this episode with your friends. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Now, let's begin.
Okay, first, small talk before shopping. This is common. People say short, friendly things. For example, "Hi, how are you?" or "Nice day, isn't it?" These are easy. Try them with me.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great, thank you.
Simple. Now, when you enter a shop, you may ask one of two things. You may ask, "Do you have?" or "Can you help me find?" These are very useful.
For example, do you have this dress in size medium? Or can you help me find the cereal aisle?
Yes, and the shop worker might say, "Sure, follow me," or "Let me check in the back." They are helpful. Notice the polite words, please, thank you, excuse me. Use them. They sound nice and friendly.
Now, we will show a short conversation at a clothing store. Listen and repeat. We will speak slowly.
Excuse me, do you have this shirt in a large?
Let me see. What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a large. If you have a large, I will try it on.
We have one more large. The fitting rooms are over there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That was easy. Short lines, very clear. Try to say them out loud. Practice helps.
Next, we will show a grocery store scene. People often ask about price and quantity. They ask, how much is this, or is this on sale? Here we go.
Hi, how much are these apples?
They are $2 per pound.
Okay, I will take 2 pounds, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, do you have organic milk?
Yes, it's in aisle 5.
Short and useful. Notice how Zach asked both price and a question about the product. 2 short questions.
Now, let's talk about online shopping. Many people shop online. When you shop online, you read product descriptions, you read size charts, you read reviews. This is important.
I remember a story. Last month, I bought shoes online. I liked the picture. The shoes looked small on me. I checked the size chart, but I made a mistake. I picked size 9 instead of size 10. When they came, they were too small. I had to return them. It was a little bit annoying, but the store had free returns, so it was okay.
I had a similar story. I bought a sweater online. It looked soft in the photos, but when it arrived, the color was darker. I thought, not like the picture. I kept it because it was warm, but next time I will read reviews more carefully.
These stories show 2 important phrases. I want to return this and I want an exchange. People say these when a product is wrong. The shop or website will tell you how to return. Always check the return policy.
Good tip. Also, read reviews. Reviews help you. They tell you true things from other buyers.
Now let's practice words for payment. You can pay with cash, card, or mobile pay. People say, "Do you accept credit cards?" or "Can I pay with cash?" The cashier may say, "We accept Visa and MasterCard," or "Yes, cash is fine."
Try this short dialogue.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, we accept credit cards. Do you want to use chip or contactless?
I will use chip, thank you.
Please enter your PIN.
Good. Another phrase is, "Can I get a receipt?" People often want receipts for returns or for records.
Now let's talk about bargaining. In the US, bargaining in big stores is rare. Prices are set. But in flea markets or small stalls, you can try to bargain. Say, "Is this the best price?" or "Can you give me a discount?" Many sellers will smile and respond.
At a flea market, try this.
That handbag is $40.
$40 is a bit high. Can you do $30?
For you, $35.
$35 sounds fair. I'll take it.
Thank you.
Short and friendly. You can also say, would you take $25 or can I have a lower price? Be polite, smile. People respond well to kindness.
Now, we will show a longer, more natural conversation between two friends shopping together. This will sound like real life. We will include small talk, feelings, and a short story.
Zac and Zoe are at a shopping mall. They meet near the food court.
Hi, Zach. I'm so glad you could come shopping today.
Me too. I needed a new jacket. My old jacket is too small now.
Oh, that happens. You grew?
Maybe a little, or maybe the jacket shrank in the wash.
That's funny. I have the same problem with my jeans. I try them on and they feel tight. I say, no thanks, then I buy a bigger size.
Let's go to the jacket store. I saw a sale sign earlier, 30% off. I love a sale.
Sales are great, but check the quality. Sometimes sale items are lower quality. I once bought a coat on sale. It looked nice, but after one season, the buttons fell off. I was sad.
Oh no, that is not good. Did you ask for a refund?
I tried. The store said final sale. I learned to check the tag next time.
Important lesson, check the tag. Also check for warranty or guarantee. Some stores will fix or replace items.
This jacket looks good, Zach. Try it on.
It fits well. I like the color, it keeps me warm, and this price is fair.
You look great. The sleeve length is perfect, and the hood is nice.
Thanks, I will buy it. Do you want to look for shoes next?
Yes, I need new running shoes. My old shoes are worn out.
Let's go to the shoe store. When you try shoes, walk in them. Walk a little in the store. That helps you feel if they are comfortable.
Good tip. I always walk. Also, check the arch support. If your foot hurts, new shoes will help.
After shopping, people often talk about bargains and feelings. Example, I saved $20 or I spent too much. These are common lines.
I like when I find a good deal. It feels like a small victory. I say, yes, great find, and I show the item to my friend.
Me too, but sometimes shopping is emotional. You may buy something to feel better. We call this retail therapy. It can help for a while, but be careful. Save money too.
That is true. Now, let's learn phrases for problems. If you have a problem, you can say, I have a problem with this item, or this item is damaged. The worker might say, I'm sorry, we can replace it or give a refund.
Practice this short exchange.
Excuse me, this blender is broken. It does not work.
I'm sorry, did you buy it here?
Yes, I bought it last week.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
We can replace it or give a refund. Which do you prefer?
I would like a replacement, please.
Sure, we will order a new one for you.
Notice the polite language. I'm sorry, do you have the receipt? Which do you prefer? These are key.
Next, we will go to a pharmacy scene. Many people buy medicine or health products. Here, be careful. Read instructions and ask questions like, how often should I take this? Or are there side effects? The pharmacist is a good person to ask.
Simple example.
Can I get something for a headache?
Sure. Do you want acetaminophen or ibuprofen?
Which one is better?
Both are good. Acetaminophen is gentler on the stomach. Ibuprofen helps with inflammation. Read the label for the right dose.
Thank you. I will take acetaminophen.
Good. Now some small but useful shopping words. Aisle, register, cart, basket, fitting room, receipt, sale, discount, return, exchange, cashier, clerk, tag, size, price. Repeat them with me.
Aisle, the path in a store.
Register, where you pay.
Cart, a big basket with wheels.
Basket, a small container for shopping.
Fitting room, a room to try clothes.
Receipt, paper proof of purchase.
Sale, lower price.
Discount, less money to pay.
Return, give back an item.
Exchange, swap for another item.
Cashier, the person who takes money.
Size, small, medium, large.
Price, how much for an item.
Great. These words are simple and useful. Try to use them.
Now, a few polite questions you can use in many shops. Could you show me? Where can I find? Do you have this in another color? Can I try this on? Is there a warranty? Is this on sale today?
And the answers you might hear. Yes, we have that. It's in aisle 7. We have it in blue and black. Yes, the fitting rooms are open. It has a 1-year warranty. Yes, 20% off today.
Practice makes perfect. Try these phrases with a friend or say them in front of a mirror.
Now, let's talk about cultural tips for shopping in the US. First, people are usually polite. Say please and thank you. Second, tipping is common in restaurants and services, but not usually in retail stores. Third, stores may close early on some holidays. Check store hours.
Also, many stores open late. Some malls close at 9 or 10 p.m. Grocery stores sometimes open 24 hours. But in small towns, stores may close earlier. Always check.
Another cultural tip, free samples. Some grocery stores and markets offer free samples. You can try small bites.
Say thank you after tasting, and do not take too many samples. Be polite. Now, a small exercise. I will say a situation, you give a short reply in your head or out loud. Ready? Yes. Situation 1. You want the blue shirt, but only the red one is in your size. What do you say? Do you have the blue shirt in my size? Or can you check in the back for the blue one? Good. Situation 2. The cashier charges you twice. What do you say? Excuse me, I think I was charged twice. Or can you check my receipt, please? Very good. Situation 3. You want to pay for a gift but not tell the friend. What do you say? Can you gift wrap this? Or I need a gift receipt, please. Perfect. These short lines will help you in real life. One more story. I once forgot my wallet in the car. I was at the register. I felt embarrassed. I told the cashier, I am so sorry. Can you hold this for me? I will be right back. The cashier was kind and said, no problem. Take your time. I ran to the car and came back. I learned to check my pockets before I leave the car. I had a funny moment too. I bought a large pizza and the cashier asked, do you want extra cheese? I said, yes, please. Later, I realized I was very full and could not finish the pizza. My friend and I ate the rest for 2 days. It was a good problem to have. Little stories make shopping real and fun. They also teach new words and feelings. As we near the end, let's summarize the most important points. First, use polite phrases. Please, thank you, excuse me. Second, ask simple questions. How much? Do you have? Can I try? Third, read labels and reviews for online shopping. Fourth, check return policies. Fifth, be friendly when bargaining. And remember these small but powerful lines. I would like to return this. Can I get a refund? Do you accept cards? Where's the fitting room? Practice them. Okay, final part. We hope you enjoyed this shopping conversation. We practiced many real sentences. We told stories, we shared tips, we learned new words. If you liked this lesson, please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It really helps us. Share this episode with your friends who want to learn English. Also, write in the comments. Tell us your shopping story. Did you buy something funny? Did you lose a receipt? Tell us. We love to read your stories. They help other learners too. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. Try to use one new phrase today. Maybe ask, do you have this in my size next time you shop? Small steps make big progress. Good luck with your shopping. Be kind, be polite, and have fun. See you next time. Bye, everyone. Take care and happy shopping. Bye. Bye.